I cannot believe that there is not a video out about this. I need to make a video out about this. Crochet guilt. Whew, it's a big deal. Hey guys, let's talk about something that happens every single year. We get to this time of year, we start feeling all festive, and suddenly we decide that we're gonna crochet gifts for everyone we've ever met. Cue the chaos. Before you know it, you have 10 whips started, 3 are hidden somewhere around the couch, and you're stress crocheting at 2 a.m. wondering why your Crojo is completely gone. Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. Let's fix it and make it so it doesn't happen again. So here's the deal. We have officially entered the I'm going to make handmade gifts and save money season. But the reality, we underestimate how long these projects actually take. Every single time. I am awful at this, okay? I will underestimate and say, yeah, that should take me about 2 hours. 4 hours later. I'm so bad, and I know a lot of us are, okay? We underestimate how long it's gonna take us to make projects. We pile on deadlines, Christmas parties, get-togethers, Hanukkah, Christmas Day, whatever holiday that you celebrate. And we forget that our hands aren't machines. And then boom, the joy's gone, and we're staring at a pile of half-finished projects feeling guilty. I cannot believe that there is not a video out about this. I need to make a video out about this. Crochet guilt. Whew, it's a big deal. So crochet guilt is very real. Every year I hear stories about how people weren't able to finish their projects by Christmas Day, and they are now stress crocheting, trying their very best to finish this project as fast as they possibly can for the person who is now waiting for it. Spoiler alert, it's not helping your motivation. So step 1, be realistic. I know, boring advice, but it's the truth. Pick 1 or 2 meaningful projects, and that's it. If you finish the 2 projects and you have plenty of time, sure, add a 3rd one. But let's start with 2 max, okay, and see where we go. Plan them out. Give yourself buffer time, because again, we crocheters are awful with how long it's going to take us to make something. And then schedule your crochet sessions like you would an appointment. If every day from 6 to 7 p.m. you plan on crocheting for Christmas, stick to it, because if you're flying blind with 10 quick blanket projects and a cardigan, oh my gosh, all on your list to make for Christmas, newsflash, you're gonna lose your Crojo by December. Next, pick smart projects. This is not the time for you to try making a project you've never done before in an advanced lace technique. Whew. Stick with what you know, what works up fast, and what makes you happy. If you don't like making shawls, then don't make a shawl. Make a blanket, make a lapgan, because then the project will go faster. I love to separate holiday projects into 3 categories, 3 types: fast and easy, low yarn cost, and high impact gifts. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. I've got a video coming soon sharing my favorite fast, easy, and budget-friendly crochet projects to inspire you. So make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss that one. Now let's be honest, not everyone needs a handmade gift. If someone is going to toss your blanket into the back of their car and completely forget about it, maybe they don't need 20 hours of your life stitched into it, all right? Crochet for people that are actually gonna appreciate it. And it's perfectly okay to say no. Your time and energy matter. They really do. And I think a lot of us take that for granted, and we're like, oh, we'll say yes to everything. I know that's me. No, protect yourself, okay? If someone comes out of left field with a project request, oh, can you make me this for Christmas? Let them know that you are booked. Now, quick materials talk here, okay? First, check for allergies. There is nothing worse than making somebody a handmade cozy wool hat that you're so proud of, spent so much money on, to find that it gives them hives. Yikes. And second, this is gonna be very unpopular, but just because it's in your yarn stash does not mean that it's right for the project, okay? Pick yarn that feels good, looks good, and suits the person that you're going to be making the project for. Color and texture matter. It's what turns a gift from thanks into, oh my gosh, you made that moments. Thank me later. Now let's talk about you, because at this point you are basically a machine, and at some point your body is going to fight back. So take breaks. do crocheter stretches. There are some video tutorials out there that show some great stretches that you can use to help your body move your hands, move your shoulders. And if you're like me and you plan to crochet for hours, get yourself some support. Now, I personally use the Valari Maker Pillow to wrap around myself, and it supports my arms and releases all the tension from my neck and my shoulders. It really helps me out. It helps me to crochet longer, which is a huge bonus. And not to mention that it does prevent any aches and pains that might start up in your shoulders, your elbow, your back, and your neck. I have crocheter's elbow. Yeah, it's a real thing. It developed before I even got this pillow, before I even knew this thing existed, because I would crochet and I'd hold my elbow up as I was crocheting, and I started developing some actual like aches and pains in my elbow, and it all went away when I got this thing. So support your posture. You don't have to get the Valari Pillow. This is something that I swear by. My friends that use it swear by it. They love it. I have a lot of members and people that have purchased it, followers that use it. I've heard amazing stories from people where this has made a huge impact in their crochet experience. So not gonna hard sell you, but I'm just gonna share with you, hey, this thing is amazing and it helps people. So if you are somebody that might benefit from this, please look into it, okay? Now, what's also awesome is it clasps in the back. That's something that is not common. So when you get up, go grab something to drink, reach down to grab something, you're instantly in position to be set up for support. You're not having to waste time fussing with pillows or anything else that just takes time away from you. Also, if you're somebody who needs a little extra room, there is an extension strap that you can get, and if you need even more room, extension strap can attach to extension strap. So the idea is that this is all body inclusive, and if you have any questions, these people, the owners, they are incredible and they really just want to help you, and they're easy to talk to. I will put a link in the description section below if you would like to learn more about the Valari Maker Pillow, and just check it out. Something else that I feel that we just don't talk enough about is crocheting alone. If you crochet alone for a long period of time, it can zap your motivation. And that's why I started my Crochet Club membership, so that way I could form a community where people could actually see each other and talk to each other and create like friendships and relationships. Hi, I'm talking to them. Excuse me. But my Crochet Club membership, it's like being in a space with other people. It's not just a live where, sure, you're there, but you feel invisible. No, if you're in my Crochet Club membership, I try my best to make you feel seen and make you feel heard if you want to. If you want to be a fly on the wall, you can be a fly on the wall. But we get together 6 times a month for a live via Zoom. We have crochet alongs, we play crochet games, we have crochet discussions. We have challenges, contests, and it really keeps the creative spark, the juices, the inspirations alive. I mean, it's funny when people inspire each other with colors or projects, and it's just a really cool environment, a really cool thing to be a part of. So if you're somebody that's looking for community and you don't want to crochet alone, please check out my Crochet Club membership. So to wrap things up, be realistic, pick projects that make sense, take care of your body, and crochet for people who actually deserve your time. Your crochet should bring you peace and happiness, joy, not pressure. Take care of yourself. And don't forget, my next video that's coming out very soon is all about fast, easy, and budget-friendly crochet project ideas to keep your Crojo alive through the holidays. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so that way you don't miss it. I hope you have the best day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.